If you love espresso drinks but don't love the barista hobby part, dialing in grinders, timing shots, and cleaning a dozen pieces, then a budget super automatic machine can be a smart move. The whole point is simple. Press a button, get a consistent espresso-style drink, and get back to your day, whether that day starts with a sunrise hike or just a busy morning. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 budget-friendly super automatic espresso machines. I'm not going to pretend I personally tested them. This is based on research and the product details. Drink menus, grinder control, milk systems, cleaning routines, and the kind of ownership stuff that matters after the first week. Quick expectation check. Budget super automatics always involve trade-offs. Some are amazing for milk drinks, but cost you more cleaning. Others keep things simple and reliable, but you'll froth milk yourself. I'll rank these from number 7 to number 1, and I'll tell you who each machine is best for. Let's start at number 7. Casabrews Acafe Plus. This machine is all about getting a lot of features in one compact box. You get a built-in conical burr grinder with 5 grind settings, plus an integrated milk frothing setup. The main appeal is one-touch convenience. Grind, brew, and the machine also supports automatic rinse/clean cycles, so daily upkeep doesn't feel intimidating. It also advertises a 20-bar pump. Pump numbers can be marketing heavy, so I focus more on the practical promise. It's designed to pull bold shots with decent crema, while keeping noise relatively low for the category. If you want a bean-to-cup workflow without buying separate gear, it checks a lot of boxes. The trade-off is maintenance discipline. Machines like this reward you when you keep the grinder and brew path clean. If you're willing to do routine care, like regular hopper and grinder cleaning, you'll get more consistent flavor and fewer issues over time. Best for someone who wants an all-in-one value bomb and doesn't mind staying on top of cleaning. Number 6. Café Affetto. If you like modern appliances and smart features, the Affetto stands out. It's Wi-Fi connected and works with the Smart HQ app, which means you can customize drink volume and strength and keep settings consistent. It also aims to be quick, dispensing drinks with a one-touch workflow in under about 90 seconds once it's ready. It uses a pre-infusion style approach, wetting the coffee gently before increasing pressure to help with a more balanced extraction. You also get a built-in conical burr grinder with 5 grind levels. That's not as many steps as some machines, but it keeps dialing in simple for beginners. Milk is the main "are you okay with this" moment. Instead of an automatic milk carafe, you get a steam, frother wand, and a pitcher. That gives you more control over foam texture, but it also means you're doing the milk step yourself and cleaning the wand after. Best for someone who wants app-based customization and doesn't mind manual milk frothing. Number 5. Gaggia Brera. The Brera is a classic, straightforward, super automatic. It doesn't chase a huge drink menu. It focuses on reliable espresso basics and gives you a traditional milk wand for cappuccinos and lattes. One thing I like about the Brera's design is accessibility. The drip tray, dregs drawer, and water tank are easy to reach from the front, which makes regular cleaning less annoying. The controls are simple. Push buttons with a clear LED display, so you don't need to learn a complicated interface to get a consistent drink. The Panorella wand is your milk tool here. It's not press latte and walk away. You steam, you adjust foam, and then you wipe and purge the wand. But if you enjoy a little hands-on control, and you want a machine that's simple and proven, the Brera fits that vibe. Best for someone who wants a no-nonsense machine and is okay doing milk manually. Number 4. Philips 1200 series. If your goal is easy bean-to-cup espresso with minimal fuss, the Philips 1200 is a strong budget pick. It's designed around consistency and simple adjustments, not a massive menu. It includes Philips' aroma extract approach to help balance brewing temperature and aroma extraction, aiming for stable results cup to cup. You also get the My Coffee Choice menu, which lets you adjust strength and quantity with a few settings. That's useful because one-size-fits-all espresso rarely fits all. Some people want a smaller, stronger shot, others want a smoother, longer cup. For milk, it uses a classic steam-based frother, so milk drinks are possible, but they're a manual step. On the maintenance side, it supports the AquaClean filter system, which can reduce how often you need to descale if you keep up with filter changes. Best for someone who mostly drinks espresso, coffee, or Americanos and wants a simple, consistent machine. Number 3. De'Longhi Magnifica Start. The Magnifica Start is a great middle ground if you want a bit more espresso tuning without extra complexity. It offers 3 one-touch recipes: espresso, coffee, and Americano, covering the drinks most people actually make every day. A big advantage is grinder flexibility. It has a conical burr grinder with 13 grind settings. More grind steps make it easier to match different beans and roasts, which can help you avoid shots that taste too sour or too bitter. You can also adjust intensity to fit your taste without becoming a full-time tinkerer. Milk is manual here too, using a traditional frother. If you only make lattes or cappuccinos sometimes, that's totally fine. And De'Longhi emphasizes easy cleaning with removable, dishwasher-safe parts, which matters for long-term ownership. Best for someone who wants better grind control and mainly drinks espresso, coffee, and Americanos. Number 2. Philips 3200 series with LatteGo. This is where super automatics start feeling truly hands-off for milk drinks. The Philips 3200 gives you a 5-drink lineup: espresso, coffee, Americano, cappuccino, and latte macchiato, with a touch interface that keeps everything one touch. The real star is the LatteGo system. It's a 2-part milk system with no tubes, which means fewer hidden places for milk residue to build up. In everyday life, that translates to faster cleaning, often just a quick rinse, and many parts are dishwasher friendly. If you make milk drinks often, this convenience can be the difference between "I use it daily" and "I stopped using milk" features. It also supports the AquaClean filter approach, again helping reduce descaling frequency if you maintain the filter schedule. Best for someone who wants one-touch milk drinks and easy cleanup. Number 1. De'Longhi Magnifica Evo with LatteCrema. The Magnifica Evo takes the top spot because it offers the most complete press-a-button-and-enjoy experience in this budget lineup, especially if milk drinks are your default. First, the drink menu is bigger: 7 one-touch or customizable options including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, coffee, hot water, and my latte. That variety matters if different people in your home want different drinks, or if your routine changes season to season. Second, you still get strong grinder control with 13 grind settings and a conical burr grinder, which helps you fine-tune flavor across different beans. Third, the LatteCrema system is built for automatic milk texturing and can handle milk alternatives, with a milk carafe designed to store in the fridge when not in use. That's a big ownership win. Milk drinks stay convenient without turning cleaning into a project. And if you like iced coffee, the over ice recipe is designed to adjust the brew so it stays bold and balanced over ice, instead of tasting watery. Best for someone who wants maximum drink variety and the easiest day-to-day milk drink routine in this list. Quick buying guide before we wrap. If you want the simplest milk system to clean, Philips 3200 LatteGo. If you want the most complete menu and convenience, De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. If you mostly drink espresso and Americanos and want simple reliability, Philips 1200. If you like classic controls and don't mind manual milk, Gaggia Brera. If you want smart features and customization, Café Affetto. If you want lots of features for the price and you'll maintain it, Casabrews Acafe Plus. If you want grind flexibility and core drinks, De'Longhi Magnifica Start. Closing. That's my breakdown of the 7 best budget super automatic espresso machines. The best choice is the one that matches your routine. If you make milk drinks often, prioritize the milk system and cleaning speed. If you mostly drink espresso and Americanos, prioritize grinder control, consistency, and easy maintenance. If you want, tell me what you drink most: espresso only, mostly lattes, or lots of iced coffee, and I'll point you to the best match from this list.